If you guys are looking for the perfect gift for a little girl or boy who loves unicorns, this is the perfect one. This comes with a leash, a carrot, and a brush as well. This unicorn responds. So let's show you. I'm going to turn it on here. Whoop. He's going. And I'm going to plug on his leash so he doesn't run away from us here. So that's what he does with the carrot. Super cute. Sits to eat it. You can brush him. Okay. And then we're ready for this. All right. He's gonna start going. Whoop. Does all kinds of silly things here. He's a silly little guy. And then he'll walk as well. He's a fun one to play with. Your kiddos are gonna love this. Silly guy.